Hi, I'm Kath Hughes. My business is Origin Performance Training in Swansea, South Wales. This business has evolved from I'm a Pilates instructor. I now offer Pilates and personal training services. I'd say my greatest business achievement would it always comes down to the personal to me, so it's more I feel achievement from seeing how others are benefiting from the services. So having somebody's health and well-being improve is the biggest achievement to me. Biggest business challenge, I'd say, is keeping the integrity of your business and reminding yourself of your focus and your goals and what you want your business to be, rather than taking the approach where you're always chasing customers and trying to expand. I think it's personally, I would rather offer smaller services that are more intimate and personal to people. My ultimate business mentor. I'm a big fan of a guy called Sylwer, who an American guy who was a musician and started a company that sold CDs online called CD Baby in the end of, I think it was the late 90s, and he it started as just an independent way to sell his musician friends' music online, and it was before the digital explosion in music and the MP3s being sold online. So he grew that business to, great heights, very, very successfully, and then sold it when the digital age came to get in. So it served its purpose, and he provided a service that friends needed. I think that's pretty cool. What makes a successful business? Knowing your customers really well. For me, giving them what they want. But just through a quality service, not letting your standards slip. And with me, I work with people on like a very personal, one-to-one level anyway, so I get to know my customers really well. My best marketing advice would be to reiterate something, the point I made earlier, is to keep the integrity of your business, not chase as many customers as you can, thinking that growth will happen through that process. I think it's better to offer niche or high quality service to a smaller number of people than try and offer everything to everyone, than try to be everything to everyone. Take any training that's available to you in areas you're weaker at, maybe. So you're for me, that would be finance and administration. And Business Wales and the Boss Online course have provided me sort of invaluable advice in terms of those things. So know your business, know what you're trying to do. What I found most useful about Boss is the advice is there for you whenever you need it. So it's easily accessible if you're at home, or I would tend to access it in the evenings when I've got time to sit down by myself and really focus on the content, and the fact that it's online, it's so easily accessible. It's there to support you if you need that little bit extra support.